In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, where you can access the tools you need to manage your business finances. If you're tracking expenses regularly, it's a good idea to make sure you're in the correct account before entering anything, so your records stay clean and organized. Next, open the Expenses section by selecting Expenses from the navigation menu. This area is where all of your business spending is stored, reviewed, and managed. It's helpful to think of this page as your central hub for keeping expense records accurate and easy to find later. From there, click New Expense to begin entering a new transaction. This opens the expense form where you'll fill in the details. The first thing to choose is the expense category. Select the category that best matches the type of purchase you made. Choosing the right category is important because it helps with reporting and gives you a clearer picture of where your money is going. After that, enter the expense date by selecting the day the purchase actually happened. Using the correct date helps keep your records accurate, especially when you review monthly spending or prepare financial reports. Now add the merchant by typing in the name of the vendor or business where the expense came from. This makes it much easier to identify purchases later, especially if you're reviewing a long list of transactions. Next, enter the total expense amount. Be sure to type the full amount carefully so your records match your receipt or bank statement. Accuracy here is especially important for budgeting and bookkeeping. If needed, you can also add a description. This step is optional, but it can be very useful for adding notes, purchase details, or context that will help you remember what the expense was for. You also have the option to upload a receipt. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into FreshBooks or selecting it from your device. Attaching receipts is a smart habit because it gives you backup documentation and keeps everything in one place. If the expense is tied to a specific client or project, use the Assign to Client or Project option. This is especially helpful if you need to track billable expenses or understand project costs more clearly. Once everything looks good, click Save to record the expense. FreshBooks will store it in your expense records so you can refer back to it anytime. Finally, return to the Expenses section to review your expense list. This is where you can view all recorded expenses and keep track of your spending over time. Thanks for watching.